So what's up, guys? I am currently fixing me some breakfast. I'm just fixing like a sausage and biscuit simply because I don't want anything heavy or I don't feel like cooking a whole lot right now. I was gonna fix me an iced coffee, but I'm out of oat milk. So while I'm at Target, I am going to grab me some oat milk and some more tea for my matcha or my little favorite Starbucks drink that I like making at home or whatever. I'm just going to show you guys the list that I am looking to get today. And if I don't get everything on today, then I will get, you know, small stuff here and there throughout the week. I am trying to cut back on spending because I'm trying to move into my suite and just take care of other things as far as, you know, debt and things of that nature. I want to get back on track with just getting my life together and taking care of things that are important. So we're gonna go and run some errands. I'm gonna take you guys to Target with me. I hope that you all enjoy this Sunday reset, and drop a comment or a pink heart in the comment section if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, hopefully you stick around to the end of the video. Action, just something simple. I said that I was going to work on my presence, you know, my appearance, I mean, for when I go out in public. So we just got this sweatshirt, some jeans, and dunks. Let's go, besties.
Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just a drug, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I pick. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I
grab my tea, the classic chai latte. Target did not have everything that I needed, and I hate it. So, I mean, it's cool. I did get the most important things that I needed from Target, so I'm not really tripping. Yeah. Let's sit in the car for a second. Gosh. So like I said, Target did not have everything that I needed in the store. I do shop at Walmart as well, cause you know I love deals. Okay, that's better. So we're going to go ahead before we even leave out of the parking lot. So like I said, this is my car kit so far. I have ibuprofen in it, cause you just never know, you can get a headache. We just got some little knickknacks, as I will call them. So no, this is not it, because they didn't have the hand sanitizer that I wanted, so we're gonna have to wait until we can find it. So I did get some moisturizer or like some lotion, and we're just gonna put that in here. And I have some deodorant, like some Dove deodorant. So this is what I have in here so far. Of course, I have to find like the hand sanitizer, and then I'm gonna put like some girl essentials in, because you just never know, you can have a accident, things can happen. But this is what we're looking like so far, and I'm just gonna put this in this little compartment here and keep it in my car as well. I will add like a lip balm in here, because of course we need the car lip balm, because duh. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get the groceries. I'm actually gonna go to Walmart so that I can get the things that I'm gonna cook today before I go pick my daughter up, and then the rest of the things that I did not find in Target. I'm really disappointed in them because they had a lot of stuff out of stock, but we're not gonna let that stop us. Let's go ahead and head to Walmart.
That's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he look too weird, baby. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Child, I'm afraid, because look at my hair, honey. And that's on a month's worth of new growth, honey. But let's go ahead and get this process started because my scalp is itchy. And of course, you guys knew I had to go ahead and throw this shower routine up in there for you guys. So let's get to it. Okay. Now I'm about to prep my hair and get it ready for washing. I am going to deep condition my hair, being that it has been up a month. So yeah, it needs some TLC and my holy grail, Trust-and-Made products. It works for me. It has my hair feeling super soft, so I can't, you know, speak on it for anyone else's hair, but this is the only brand that really works well with my hair to my knowledge. This is the hair that had to shed. Basically, your hair is supposed to shed daily. So this is a month of my hair not being able to properly shed. And this is pretty good for just a month. So I am going to do a silk press, but we're going to go ahead and hop into the shower routine, child. So I can go ahead and, you know, get everything out the way. and shop with your girl for the best skincare products out. Duh. See you guys next week.